How to create your ID.me account with SSA. 1. Go to ssa.gov and select Sign In. 2. Choose Create an Account with ID.me and confirm to leave SSA's website. 3. On the ID.me page, enter your email address and create a strong password, 8+ characters, mix of upper, lowercase letters, and numbers. 4. Accept the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, then click Create Account. 5. Open the confirmation email from ID.me and click Confirm your email or enter the 6-digit code. 6. Set up multi-factor authentication. MFA, choose text, phone call, or app method. Use at least 2 methods. 7. Once MFA is complete, select Continue. 8. Begin identity verification. Upload clear photos of the front and back of your ID driver's license, state ID, passport, or passport card. 9. Review and agree to the consent terms allowing ID.me to verify your identity. 10. Enter your mobile number and continue the process on your phone via the text link. 11. Confirm your email, upload ID photos, then take and upload a selfie as prompted. 12. If upload fails, follow troubleshooting tips or verify via a video call. 13. Once verified, return to your browser tab and enter your social security number. 14. Review your details, check the FCRA box, and select Yes. 15. Authorize ID.me to share your verified information with SSA and select Allow. 16. You'll be redirected back to ssa.gov. Read and accept the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy.